How's it going, Plant Heroes? Plant Hero Call here today with a little walk around of my back area here that I've created. I've worked on a couple DIY projects recently and just wanted to show you some of the awesomeness I feel like I've been creating. It's going to be a little bit of a shorter video just to kind of show you the digs, and I'm going to be completely brutally honest. I actually made a how-to video on how to build one of these, but then all the files got deleted, so that's just what we deal with sometimes. But you know, tough subject for me, but we're going to make it work, and hopefully even a couple minutes of enjoyment can come from this. So if you enjoy any of this, drop some fertilizer on that like button, subscribe to join our future content, and if you subscribe and you comment on this video or any one of the future ones as we stretch towards 1,000, we're doing a little giveaway. So, you know, just another little reminder there for you. But if you have any tips on how you feel like this is shaping up, or any DIY projects you think I might like to try out, drop them in those comments, and let's just gather and grow from each other. All right. So you've seen a lot of the stuff behind me before. A lot of it is stuff that I have found from an office that was about to throw it away. I like to give things a second life if possible. Some of this stuff, you know, these lights behind me, I found them super cheap on Amazon, and they actually plug into the wall. So that was a big plus, kind of make it easy on myself. But the real thing I wanted to show you is my most recent project. This kind of chandelier I built in our little lounge area. You can kind of see it here. So to do this, I actually used a hula hoop that I got fairly inexpensively from Target, and you know, again, that same lighting cord I was talking about, but you know, I was able to kind of create this. Looks like it might be more than it actually cost me, but it turned out very well and I'm happy about it. And then you've seen these before in previous video, but these chairs actually were from one of our clients, Birkenstock. They were getting rid of them. They were actually supposed to be structural supports for their shoe displays, and these little picture frames were in there. This is where they put pictures of their shoes, but we saved them from going to the dump, repurposed them, and you know, all you got to do is find a little moss mat and give it a little staple gun on towards the back and call it golden. Another project that I'm probably going to be working on soon is these Cork Mats. One of our clients was actually about to toss them and offered to just give us the boxes. So what my plan is to take a bunch of these different sized ones and put them up, you know, on the walls, and kind of give this area a little bit of a sound treatment, as well as, you know, something a little more interesting than just blank walls. We recently got a nice staghorn fern. It's a fake one, but don't tell anyone. And then moving back here, this area has sort of evolved a little. Got our nice gather and grow sign. And then back here, this is from Salesforce actually. They were throwing this away, and I put a new backing on it, repurposed it, and you know, now it is the Plant Hero backdrop. This is our little workout area. Here's another one. I really love these things. It's a great way to add some instant green to a scene, and a little texture. And then back to this table that you've seen in multiple different videos. I found these on Amazon for, I think it was like 55 bucks each, and I'm super stoked on them because I combined them all together and they form one long conference room sort of table. But if I wanted to, I could break them all up individually and use them as a potting bench, stash some plant debris in there, something like that. But yeah, that's kind of just the quick walkthrough I wanted to give you. Mostly wanted to show you that chandelier back there, but I think the space will keep evolving. So like I said, if you have any tips, drop them in the comments. If you have any projects that you want to see me work on, I'm more than happy to try something out. And yeah, drop some fertilizer on that like button. Drop a comment down to subscribe and be part of that giveaway. And we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.